NEET team, Set GG, Physics, question number 91. A tuning fork is used to produce resonance in a glass tube. The length of the air column in this tube can be adjusted by a variable piston. At room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced at 20 centimeters and 73 centimeters of column length. If the frequency of the tuning fork is 320 Hz, then the velocity of sound at 27 degrees Celsius is 350 meter per second, 300 meter per second, 339 meter per second, or 330 meter per second. So we're given that the two successive resonances are at 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter. So the value of lambda by 2 is 73 minus 20, that is 53 centimeters. And therefore the value of lambda will be 53 into 2, that is 106 centimeters. Now we know that the value of velocity is lambda into frequency f, and the value of lambda is in centimeters, so we'll convert into meters by dividing it by 100 and then multiplying it with the frequency of 320. Then the value of velocity is 339 meter per second, which is option number 3.